I surprised everyone with this recipe. Now I only cook noodles like this. Start by cutting one medium onion. Cut it in half, then into strips, and finally into small cubes. Next, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add one drizzle of oil, the onion cubes, stir, and let them fry until slightly golden brown. Meanwhile, cut half red bell pepper. Cut it in half, then into small cubes. Cut one yellow pepper. Cut it in half. Remove the core. Then cut it into thin strips and finally into small cubes. Now, cut 2 tomatoes. Cut them in half. Remove the stems. Cut them into round slices, then into strips, and finally into small cubes. Once you've done that, transfer to the skillet the red bell pepper, the yellow pepper, the tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, 100 milliliters of water, and stir fry for 5 minutes. Take this time to share this video and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it. And we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Next, add 2 packages of instant noodles of 80 grams each. Break them into smaller pieces. Add another 100 milliliters of water. Cover the skillet and let it all cook for 3 minutes. After this indicated time, stir until incorporated into the sauce. Add 2 beaten eggs and stir for another 3 minutes. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe, so click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Finally, add 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Cover the skillet and let it all cook for another 3 minutes. This is the right point. Finish by adding parsley to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Now, I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.